To resize an image or photo on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open the required photo. Tap the pencil icon at the bottom of the screen to go to the edit photo screen. Tap more icon or 3 vertical dot icon at the top right. Tap resize. And then select the desired size you like to apply to the photo. Tap done button. And then tap save to save the change. As a note, there are several reasons why you might need to resize a photo. As the example, to reduce the file size so that you can send the photo via email, or so you can upload the photo to your social media faster and else. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.